how to negotiate a better treatment, if at all, etc., etc. How to express, like I was mentioning to this young married couple, no?
Yes.
You must learn how to give each other a back massage.
Oy.
The wife complained.
Ah?
The wife complained.
Why?
Pareho raw sila nagtatrabaho. Both of them are working. They both come home. They're both tired. I said, yeah. Why not adjust the time? You sleep first. You wake up later. And then you can give your bonding, your back massage or whatever.
Adrian naman, napaka-clueless naman ng taong yan. She didn't get that it's just kuno, just to be... Okay yun, Adrian, di ba? O mga boys, di ba? Biglang nakatingin yung mga cameramen, gaganyan-ganyan. But that's true. When words fail, when all else fails, eto, totoo to. There's nothing like a gentle hug. Ulitin mo nga yun. Okay yun.
You can feel the exuberance of love coming out from both of them.
Para kang mga Shakespeare.
Yeah.
Okay.
It bounces out of them.